Hey guys, today I'm going to be doing a review of this non-detergent laundry ball by SMARTKLEAN. So I found this really cool laundry ball. Basically, it's supposed to replace laundry soap. And the way that it works is it boosts the water's ability to clean clothes by using different types of ceramic pellets and two types of magnets. So at first I was really skeptical of this working. I thought it was just kind of a gimmick and a scam. But the reason why I decided to go ahead and try it is because my mother-in-law, who runs the laundromat, uses this laundry ball quite often to wash her clients' clothes. Who better to know if this works than someone who actually works in the laundry industry? And I trusted her opinion. You know, she is my mother-in-law. So the way that it works is it changes the pH of the water so that it can better clean. It contains little silver balls, and silver is antimicrobial, so it kills bacteria. It also removes the chlorine out of the water, which is really nice for people who are sensitive to that, like if you have eczema or psoriasis or sensitive skin. It has an infrared ball which radiates negative ions for easier dirt removal. I'm not going to pretend I know what that means. I am not a chemist. Okay, and then also the way that it's designed, the shell. Okay, so here's what it looks like. The way it's designed is it has all these bumps and it's really jagged. And that's designed for it to, like, you know, beat the dirt out of the clothing, because it's going to be moving around in your washing machine and kind of just hitting all the clothes and beating all that dirt out. So that is how it works. I'm not going to pretend, you know, I know exactly how it works, because I don't. All I care about is, does it actually clean the clothes? The awesome thing about this is that it's good for 365 loads, so it will last you well over a year, I think. It also doesn't leave any residues on the clothes. It says it claims to maintain the fabrics like new because the soap often breaks down the fabrics, leaves residues in them. Actually, the reason why a lot of dark clothes fade is not actually because it fades, it's because there's residue of soap left in the black, and that's what causes it to look so gray. It's because there's still soap left. You don't need a rinse cycle for this. And there is zero chemical runoff. So it's very eco-friendly and it's very budget-friendly. It's very affordable. So does it actually work to clean clothes? Yes, I think it does. It does. I've done several loads of laundry with my laundry ball, and it's cleaned clothes really well. It doesn't leave a scent at all, so it's completely unscented when you get your clothes out of the dryer. I find it leaves the clothes a lot softer, and as they claim, I have bought brand new clothes and they still look brand new after I washed with this. So it doesn't really wear the clothes out, and it maintains the quality of the fabric. The only thing is I don't use this laundry ball for heavily soiled loads. I will not use it for towels or dishcloths. I tried it out with dishcloths, and it did not completely get rid of, because you know how dishcloths get that like musty smell? It did not completely get rid of that musty smell. I basically just use it for dark clothes, my dark loads. Okay, it does not work to remove stains either. So if you're going to be using this for all of your laundry, you need to pre-treat all your stains before you go ahead and wash your clothes with this laundry ball. But I just use it for the dark loads. It's more of like a gentle laundry soap, alternative laundry soap for maintaining the longevity of your clothes. So all your beautiful dark clothes that you wear and you don't want to get them all gross and gray and faded, I think this laundry ball is awesome for washing them. Everything comes clean. You know, if my kid has food on his shirt, there's no food on the shirt when I pull it out of the dryer. It looks just how it would look if I had washed it with laundry soap. That is my honest review and opinion of it. I'm really happy with it. Also, they recommend that you put this out in the sun for about an hour once a month to regenerate the pellets inside of this for, you know, to get the best results. So yeah, that's another thing to kind of know about this. If you're interested in more organic natural product reviews, please subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye!